How to install Cursor AI code editor on your PC or laptop. Open Chrome and search for Cursor AI, then open the official website. As soon as the site loads, it will automatically detect your operating system and show a download button. Click it and the download will start. Once the installer finishes downloading, double-click it to begin installation. Accept the license agreement. Click Next, then choose the destination folder. By default, it selects one automatically, but you can change it if you prefer. Click Next again. And on the additional task screen, I recommend checking these two options for easier access in future. And make sure this Register Cursor and Add to Path options are checked, as it's important. And adding a desktop shortcut is optional. After that, click Install and let it do the job. Once the installation completes, click Finish and the cursor will launch automatically. The first time it opens, you'll need to log in or sign up because Cursor's AI features require an account. You can sign in using email or choose options like Google, GitHub, or Apple. You can also connect services like GitHub or Slack, but that's optional. And finally, click on Login. Then close this window. Now, if you want, you can import settings and extensions from VS Code, or just continue with the default setup. And with that, the setup is now complete. Now create a new folder on desktop. Drag it into Cursor, and it'll open that folder. Now create a new file like HTML. And you'll notice the new chat option on the left. This is where you interact with the AI. You can ask it to generate code, plan features, debug, or ask about your codebase. And by default, the model is selected as Auto. But when you uncheck it, you'll see a lot of models that you can use, but all these can only be used with a paid plan, except the Auto model, which can be used with the free plan. Now I have given a simple prompt to generate a login page using HTML and CSS with a gradient background. And this is what it generated. I mean, it's too good, considering I provided the most basic prompt. Now, if you found this video helpful, do like it and subscribe.